You live to work, then you die for the queen. This is not a slogan from a dystopian empire. It's the quiet reality of a worker bee's life, an existence defined not by freedom or fulfillment, but by function. A single life traded in for the survival of something larger. There is no personal ambition, no comfort, no reward. The worker bee lives only to serve, and once that service is complete, it dies. Forgotten, replaced, necessary, but never celebrated. Birth and role. From the moment a worker bee is born, its role is assigned. There is no decision to be made. Its purpose is not to explore, create, or rest. It is to work. Every part of its life revolves around the needs of the hive. The worker bee becomes the colony's multitasker, a cleaner, a nurse, a builder, a forager, and eventually, a guard. It tends to the queen, feeds the larvae, builds the wax cells, and collects nectar to make honey. And when danger comes, it becomes a soldier, standing at the gates of the hive. It's a life of total devotion, not to itself, but to the collective, to the queen, to the survival of the species. Strange biology. The worker bee's body is built for sacrifice. Its anatomy is efficient, precise, and temporary. The wings, though powerful, are designed to wear out. With every flight hundreds, sometimes thousands per day, the wings weaken and fray. There is no recovery, no repair. The bee flies until its wings stop working, and when they do, it simply falls. Their internal systems are optimized for a short, productive life. Their energy burns fast, their lifespan ends quickly. In summer, a worker bee lives only 6 weeks. In that time, it will work every single day, with no rest. This isn't a flaw of nature, it's a design. Nature created them to be tireless, disposable, and replaceable. The sacrifice. Self-sacrifice is written into the worker bee's DNA. Its entire existence is structured around giving, without receiving. One of the most striking examples is the stinger. When a worker bee stings, the barbed tip embeds itself into the enemy. As the bee pulls away, the stinger remains along with parts of its abdomen. The act of defense is a death sentence, but it stings anyway. It's not allowed to reproduce. Mating is reserved for the queen and the drones. The worker bee will never pass on its genes, never have offspring of its own. Its life is offered entirely to the hive. Every job it performs, from cleaning to dying in battle, is for the benefit of others. The death. The end of a worker bee's life is often as unnoticed as its beginning. Many die in flight, crashing to the ground far from the hive. Others collapse after one final trip for pollen. Some die defending the hive, never making it back home. Their deaths go unmarked. The queen remains protected. The hive continues. The next batch of workers is already emerging, ready to take their place. There is no mourning, no grave, just motion, continuation, survival at the cost of the individual. Final shock. And when their work is done, they fade away, quietly, without resistance. Their bodies are worn out. Their energy is gone. Their wings frayed beyond repair. Their mission fulfilled. And as they fall, unnoticed and unremembered, the queen lives on. The hive lives on. The cycle resets. A new generation is born fresh, eager, and ready to work. Another group of workers destined to repeat the same journey, to live for someone else and die without a name.